Makharij. It is one of the lisan, the tongue letters, and its articulation point is tip of the tongue from the top side of the tip and bottom edges of the top two incisors. So tip of the tongue, okay, we have the tip of the tongue from the top side, so we use the tip of the tongue, but the top side of the tip of the tongue, and the bottom edges of the top two incisors. So it's going to touch the bottom edges of the top two incisors. So this is incisor 1, this is incisor 2, and it's going to touch the tip of the tongue from the top side. It's going to touch the edges, the bottom edges of the two incisors when the sound for dha is produced. Similarly, you can see here, that's the tip of the tongue from top side, and this is the bottom edges of the top two incisors. Let me explain that with 3D model. So we have the tip of the tongue, that's the tip of the tongue, but from the top side. This is the top side of the tip of the tongue here. Top side tip of the tongue. And we're going to touch the the bottom edges of these two incisors. This is incisor 1, incisor 2, top ones, and they're going to touch the bottom edges of the top two incisors when we're producing the sound of al or dha, al. Okay.